Understanding, make up a reason in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase in English. Make up a reason. This phrase can be a bit confusing, especially for learners of English as a second language. So, let's break it down together and understand its meaning and usage. Make up a reason is a phrase that combines two key words, make up and reason. Let's look at each component. Make up usually means to create something, often something that is not true or real. A reason is an explanation or justification for an action or event. Therefore, when someone makes up a reason, they are creating an explanation or justification that is not true or is fabricated. It's often used when someone wants to avoid the truth or hide their real motives. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Example in a work situation. Imagine your colleague didn't complete their part of a project. They might make up a reason, like saying they were sick, even if they weren't, to explain their lack of progress. 2. Example in a social situation. Suppose a friend doesn't want to attend a party. They might make up a reason, such as having another important engagement, even if they just prefer to stay home. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to provide a false explanation for something. As an English learner, it's important to understand not just the meaning, but also the connotation of the phrase. Using make up a reason can imply dishonesty or evasion. It's often used in situations where the truth is being avoided. Be cautious in using this phrase directly with someone, as it can sound accusatory. For example, saying, "Are you making up a reason?" might offend someone if they are actually telling the truth. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, make up a reason, and how to use it appropriately in English. Remember, language is not just about words but also about context and connotations. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning!